Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share all the affordable stuff that I recently got from Purple and I'm so excited to try those out. Now without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. So the first product that I got is from Swiss Beauty, and this brand has been all over the internet from past few months, and rightfully so. It is very affordable and I have heard really good thing about a lot of products from their brand, but this is the first time I'm trying anything from their brand. And the thing that I got is their liquid concealer. It says it covers the blemishes at one stroke, which is a really big promise, but I really wanted to give this one a try. I have heard really good reviews about that, and the shade that I got is 04 medium beige, and this retails for 199 rupees. I got this for 189, like 10 rupees ka discount only. But yeah, I must say I am wearing this concealer today and I am quite liking it so far. This is medium to buildable coverage and it comes in this frosted kind of tube. I hope you guys can see this. Has a standard wand which is very easy to use. It has very creamy texture which I found really easy to blend as well. Let me actually put a little bit on back of my hand. This is very easy to blend, very creamy. It's not drying on the under eye. Some of the concealers that I have used are really drying and I have already dry skin, so I do not want a concealer which will enhance the lines under my eyes. So this I found is really good, but I do have to check how long does it wears. For the first impression, I feel that this is really good, and at this price point, like 189 199 rupees, it is a steal. And also a lot of times some of the sale is going on, so you can grab even better deal on this one. So far quite liking this one. The next product that I got is again from a brand which I have never tried before, but is a very affordable brand. It is this Stay Quirky Cheeky Blush, and the shade that I got is Rose Scarlet 4. I really wanted to try this blush. I had seen swatches and I really liked this one, so I thought I'll give it a try. The best thing that I liked about this blush was the size of it. It is very compact size. I think this is a really perfect size for a blush because we don't end up using those big palettes of blushes, and I want to try a lot of blushes, so I think if there is a compact blush I would definitely buy that one and save my money, and I get to try a lot other blushes as well. Actually, I'm wearing it right now, but for some reason in my viewfinder I can see that it is not showing up. I think because of the lighting. I went really gentle with this one, but I'll show you the swatch. I think in swatch you will get a better idea. I hope it is visible. So this is how it looks. It is a very pretty cool toned blush and it looks really beautiful on the cheek. It gives very natural flush on the cheek, which I am a big fan of. I don't like that clown cheeks. So it's a really nice blush. I think I'll try other shades from this one as well. Coming to the price point, this retails for 299 rupees, but I got this one for 209 rupees. The next product that I have with me is actually a free gift that I got with all of my Stay Quirky purchases. This is their liquid lipstick and I got the shade Color Goals from this range. This is the packaging. It comes in this beautiful cardboard packaging and I'll show you the tube as well. It is a standard tube. I think Nykaa also has some similar kind of tube for their liquid lipsticks. Although I have not tried any of their liquid lipstick yet, but I really like that they Stay Quirky shared a free liquid lipstick. I actually tried this one, did not wear it for a long time, but I did try it for some time. This completely dries down to a matte finish and I really liked how it looked on my lips. Definitely not a everyday color. It's a very bold lipstick. I hope you guys can see it. It's a very bright pink sort of lipstick. You can't wear this every day, but on an experimental basis, definitely. It actually reminded me a little bit of Sugar Scarlet O'Hara, but that has a little bit of purple undertone, and this is like proper bright popping pink kind of color. One thing I will say, if you are not a liquid lipstick lover, if you don't feel comfortable, you might find this one little bit drying, but if you have worn liquid lipstick before, this will work just fine if you moisturize your lips properly. This one actually retails for 449 rupees and it has 4.5 ml of product, so I'm really glad I got to try one of their products for free. The next product that I got is something that I'm really glad I bought. It seems like a discovery that I was waiting to make. I'm really in love with these lipsticks that I have got. One of them I am wearing on my lips right now. They are NY Bay Confession of a Lipoholic Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lipstick. That was a mouthful. I could not remember that for life of me, so I had to read it from the cardboard box. I got 2 shades in that and I'm really loving both of them so far. These are the 2 shades that I have. One of them is called Snowflake Kisses and the other one is Binging 2, I guess. Yeah. So this Binging 2 is actually a really pretty mauve color, and the other one, Snowflake Kisses, is the one that I'm wearing on my lips right now. Now coming to the swatches, I have swatched both the lipstick on my hands. The mauvey one, this is Binging, and the other one, this is Snowflake Kisses. This is how they look when they are a little wet, but once they dry down to a proper matte formula, and they settle down within a minute or two, and then they are like completely transfer proof. Another best part about these lipsticks are that they retail for only 220 rupees, which is such a good deal for such beautiful liquid lipsticks, and they contain 4.5 ml of product. But on these also I think I got a discount. Yeah, I got this for 154 rupees. You can even score a bigger discount if there is any sale going on. I ordered it at some random time, but I still got some discount on these products. So the next product is again a free product that I got from Purple, and it is like a cherry on top. I got this free with the other 2 NY Bay lipsticks. This is the NY Bay liquid lipstick. It is a little different packaging from the ones I just showed you guys. It comes in a longer tube. This is how the tube looks like. When I got this lipstick for free, I thought it looks really similar to this one, Binging, but when I applied it on my lips, they were a little bit different. So this one, the one that I got for free, this has a little bit of pink undertone, pink reddish undertone, and the other one, Binging, this has more of a purple undertone. So this looks a little dark purple, and this one looks a little bit on the pinkish side. I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. Let me actually show you the swatch of this as well, so you will be able to understand better. Here on my hand, I hope you guys can see it properly. So the below one, this is the York Sister, and just on top of that, this one is the Binging one. These 2 swatches I already made so that you can see how they look when they are dried down. So this lipstick is also a matte lipstick and transfer proof as well. Now coming to the price point of this, it retails for 195 rupees, but I got this for free. So the next product that I got is a lot of nail paints. I have actually not bought nail paints from few years now. I can't remember when I purchased my last nail paint. So I really thought I want to give these nail paints a try. I bought few from Stay Quirky and few from NY Bay. I'll just show you what all I got. So the first 2 nail paint that I got is from NY Bay. It is their NY Bay Nail Enamel Matte Nail Paint, and these retails for 85 rupees and I got these for 65 rupees. Let me just show you the color. They look really nice and they are very matte. The blue one I am wearing on my nails. So when I tried this blue nail paint, actually this is not very opaque. It took me proper 2 coats to get near to the color that you see in the bottle. In one coat it was very translucent. It was just like a shine. not shiny, it is actually matte nail paint, but it was very transparent sort of color. But when I applied the second coat, it then came together, the color then shined through, and it started looking somewhere like the bottle. I hope you can see my nails. I'm wearing this one. I have not tried the other nail paint, so do let me know in the comments if you want me to review all the nail paints that I have got, or if you would like a short video on Insta to know about these nail paints, because they are really affordable and I would wear them one by one, and I'll see that what is their staying power and if they are opaque or not, if the price is worth it or not. Okay, so they have a little bit heavy duty names, so I don't remember them. Let me just see on my phone. The blue one is called Blue Strawberry, and the red one is called Soft Pretzel. The next nail paint I got is again from NY Bay, and this is their Sugar Effect nail paint. This looked really fascinating, so I thought I'll give this one a try. And again, the name of this one is very heavy duty. Let me just read this out. So this is called Golden Brown Sprinkle Sundae. They have a lot of color in this one, and I'm really excited to try this one. I'll see how it looks. Coming to the price point, MRP for this one was 75 rupees, but I got this one for 53 rupees. Now again, with these NY Bay nail paints, I got some free gifts. So these are the two nail paints that I got for free. I actually thought that I am going to get one, but for some reason I got two. Not complaining, I think I'll probably give it to someone else. These ones are called NY Bay X Shakti Nail Lacquer, and can't see the shade name. Highline Hip Hop. Now these are also matte nail paints. I have not tried them. I just tried that blue one which I am wearing today. I'm definitely going to wear these as well and probably post on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me there. Now coming to the price point, both of these are for 119 rupees, and they have more quantity in them, like they are 9 ml and the other ones were 6 ml or so, 6 ml or 5 ml. I'll just put the links in description, you can check. The next set of nail paints that I got is from Stay Quirky. I actually got 4 of them. These are called Stay Quirky High on Glam Nail Lacquers. I really went fun with these nail paints. I got yellow, I got green, I got purple, and this shade I am really looking forward to, a grey toned nail paint. I am going to try all of these. I just can't wait to try all of them. Now talking about the price point, each of these nail paint retail for 90 rupees, but I got them for 63 rupees each. The next few products that I got are actually skincare products. The first product that I have is again from Stay Quirky. It is their makeup removal balm. It is called Take It Off Me Makeup Remover Balm. I can never get enough of makeup removers. As important putting on makeup is for me, it is also important that you remove it and you clean your face properly. So I was looking for a nice makeup remover balm. I usually use my Clinique Take the Day Off, but I wanted to find another affordable option as well, so I thought I'll give this one a try. Now coming to the price point, this 30 ml jar retails for 349 rupees, but I got this one for 244 rupees, which is yay! So the next product that I got is Plum E-Luminance Deep Moisturizing Cream. I really wanted to give this one a try because I have very dry skin, and I'm always on a lookout for good nourishing sort of creams. Talking about the consistency of this cream, this is a very thick cream. I hope you guys can see, like, even if I tilt the jar, it is not coming out. It is really thick cream and it feels very moisturizing as well for the few times that I have used it. I will keep on using it and I'll see how it works out for me. Now coming to the price point of this 50 ml jar, it actually retails for 575 rupees, but I got this one for 489 rupees. The last item of this haul is again a free gift from Purple. I know, I think Purple really likes me. They have sent so many free gifts. I think the amount of product that I got, I think 1/3 or 1/4 amount of free gifts I got. Really strange, but not that I'm complaining. Anyways, the product that I got is from Plum. It is their Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. This is a 25 ml tube and this retails for 325 rupees. I had not heard of this one, but Plum products I really like, so I hope that this is also going to be something that I'm going to like. And since I've got this for free, so no complaints either. So those were all the products that I got from Purple. Do let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite, or if you are planning to buy any of those products. Even if you have a product in mind, do let me know in the comments down below. Maybe I'll try that for you guys. With that, if you like this video, do show some love, like, share, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video. Till then, bye bye. Namaste. कितना सही है. This is medium to buildable coverage. What am I saying? Medium to buildable coverage. Oh my god. Medium to buildable coverage. क्या खुशबू आ रही है यार, इसी को सूंघने का मन कर रहा है. ऐसा परफ्यूम होना चाहिए. अरे वाह 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 वाह. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something